Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So we are doing yet again another advent calendar. This time we are going to be unboxing the advent from Elemis. One thing that makes these nice though is even though they're all from the same brand, if you wanted to try out a lot of products from one skincare company or one makeup company, this is a great way to try out a lot of those products at an affordable price point, because typically it is cheaper to buy it in bulk like this than to go buy every individual item. So I do think on that note, if you guys have never looked into their products, this might be something that would interest you because you can try a lot at once and see if it works for you or not. So this is what the calendar looks like. Isn't it cute? I am such a sucker for packaging. It is so cute. I love that it's like this mini little letter booth. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. It's just a great little box. But I can tell there are a lot of items in it because it is heavy. So it is definitely a full calendar. This is what it looks like all the way around. On the back, you've got all your products listed here. Then you've got the side, and then here's the front of it. So I do think it's adorable. I do like that it's a different take on an advent. You know, it's not your typical like calendar shape. This has definitely got its own style. So you just pull this jacket off, and then down below will be the actual advent. And it opens like this. So this is a 25-day advent, and you're going to see all of your different drawers in here. Here's day 25. I love that it has like its own drama. You know what I mean? Like this side should be really good. 23, 24, 25, this should be the hero side, okay? And then if you turn it around, this, oh, I think it does. Maybe, where is it at? Somewhere this opens up more. Oh, I think you gotta take the top off. This is like origami, trying to figure out how to open this. So then you lift up the lid, and now you can open the other side, and you get all of these drawers over here. Do you see this? Like, so we've got drawers everywhere, but you just have to open everything in the right order. Now, if you guys want to purchase this calendar, it is still available as of the timing of this video. I will be including a link down below for you guys if you want to check it out. This particular one, it will retail for $260, but it has a retail value of $749 for all 25 items inside of this calendar. So it says that these are going to feature full size, and it's also going to have sample sized items. It's going to be a mixture of both. And it says that they are all going to be the fan favorite products for face and body. So as far as the actual drawers go, they're really nice quality. These are not your thin cardboard boxes. These are solid doors. So I like how sturdy they are. They're all lined on the inside as well. I feel like you could absolutely reuse this calendar if you wanted to repurpose this, use it for something else. You definitely could. Of course, you're going to have a few things that say like Elemis on them, different things like that, but it is a very well constructed and well made calendar. So first item inside of our calendar is the Rehydrating Ginseng Toner. This is a facial toner coming in at 1.6 ounces. It is a deluxe size, and this is a refreshing facial toner that will revitalize and hydrate your skin. Okay, this is a really small point, but when you are trying to unbox, and I am so used to seeing numbers on the doors, and then they give you words instead for these, like it just took me 5 minutes trying to figure out where door number 2 is, and now I found. So I'm not a fan of that. I just want all numbers on my calendar. The mixing, I wasn't expecting, and now I feel like a dummy. So in door number 2, we have the Clarifying Clay Wash. This is a facial wash. It is a deluxe travel size at 30 ml, 1 ounce. This will have clay in it that will help to draw out impurities from your pores and to really bring everything to the surface. Clay is a great natural ingredient for cleansing. It sometimes can dry your skin out, especially like in wintertime when it's dry air. It can happen, but if you follow up with a moisturizer or serums, it shouldn't be a problem. Thankfully, you have a whole calendar here that's probably going to have all of the items you're going to need to do that with. We also have the Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. So this is a multi-purpose item that will help to prime your skin for makeup if you want to control any oils or keep your makeup in place throughout the day. But it's also going to give you hydration and brighten your skin at the same time. I love how these look like postage stamps too. Do you see that? Like, they've got the postage stamp look inside of our letterbox. I don't know. It's well thought out. So next item is the Pro Collagen Glowing Boost Exfoliator. This is their travel size once again. And this one will give you that brightening effect, but it's also going to exfoliate and remove any dead skin cells or texture bumps that you might have. I just got to point out though with these sizes, they're at 15 mil for this one. They're very generous because even though they are samples, they are a deluxe sample. A lot of times, and you guys have seen this with other advents, the samples we're getting are 2 mil, 5 mil, 7 mil. These are generous with the amount that we're having in here. Coming in at 15 mil, I mean, it's twice as much as a lot of these others. So even though, yes, they are samples, I do want to point out that they are deluxe sizes. Next up, we have the Resurfacing Gel Mask. So this is a mask that you're going to leave on for about 8 to 10 minutes, and this will help to resurface your skin. We also have the Resurfacing Essence. So this is going to work hand in hand with the other product we just saw with the mask. You want to cleanse first before using this product, and then you're going to use this with a couple of drops. And this was basically a serum, but it's also going to help exfoliate and break down any texture or resurface your skin. Ooh, here's a larger one. So this is the shower cream, and this is a luxurious shower cream, it lists. It says you can use this all over your body, and it is going to be a luxurious experience. It's supposed to be super soft, very gentle for the skin, and still hydrated at the same time. But we have 1.6 ounces on this product. Next up, we have the Superfood Facial Wash. So this is one of their cleansers, but the formula is a gel texture. So they have a lot of different cleansers available. This one, like I said, has got that gel texture to it. It's not my personal favorite, but that's only because I don't like gels. I don't think it's a bad product though. Door number 9 has the Fruit Vinegar Liquid Glow. This is the Radiance Facial Toner. It's 1.6 ounces. So this is a toner that you will use after you cleanse, but it's also going to give you brightness after using it. But again, there's a lot of product in here. I'm so relieved because for the price paid on this, I would have been very disappointed with little tiny samples. I love that even though these are sample sizes or travel sizes, they're not like these itty bitty tiny ones. Door number 10 has the Resurfacing Facial Wash. This is one of their cleansers, but it's part of that resurfacing lineup. So you have every item here that if you have any texture or you want to break down any bumps or really dead skin cells, anything like that, you've got it in this calendar because we've had the cleanser, we've had the essence in here, we've had the wash. So I like that they're giving the full set too. Door number 11 has the Pro Collagen Marine Moisture Essence. So this is effectively a serum, and this is going to help to give you hydration and take off any wrinkles. It will reverse time basically. Door number 12. Okay, now this is one of our smaller samples, but this is what I'm saying. At least they're not all this size. So this is the Eye Revive Mask. It is 4 mil. They did go small on the eye product. However, that seems to be pretty standard for the industry to go this small for eye creams. But I mean, you guys, thank heavens they're not all this size. Door number 13 is the Midnight Facial. This is a nourishing sleep cream. So you'll put this on right before bed and it will help to add back nutrients to your skin. We also have the Pro Collagen Tri-Acid Peel. What's nice about peels is they're really going to be a stronger formula to really break down any texture that you might have or anything, dirt, impurities, anything like that at all. This is really going to do that. So you just have to be careful with peels because sometimes they can be too strong depending on your skin. Everybody's different. Just do a little bit first in a small area before doing your entire face. That would be my suggestion. That way you'll know if it works for you or not. Door number 15 has the body cream. So this is a product that you'll follow up after you use the body wash. Now you've got the body cream. You'll apply this on after you've cleansed, you've dried off. Now you can put on your body cream for extra hydration. And this is also very luxurious, it claims. They just keep saying luxury all over it. Door number 16 has the facial oil. Now this is a little guy, 5 ml. So this is an oil that you can apply, and it's the superfood lineup. So it's gonna have all those vitamins and nutrients for your skin. In door number 17, we have the Pro Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser. So now we're getting the full lineup from the Pro Collagen line, which to me is the best one that they have. I mean, as you've seen, they have a few different ones, but this is the cleanser. It's safe for sensitive skin. It's soft, it's gentle, but now it's part of that collagen lineup, so I like that. Next up for door number 18 is another Pro Collagen item. This is the Morning Matrix, so it is your morning moisturizer. We also have the night cream, so you have the nighttime moisturizer in door number 19. In door number 20, we have the Renewal Serum. So this is a part of that Pro Collagen lineup. Once again, we have 5 ml of product, and it states you can use this morning and night, and these are all gonna take down wrinkles and fine lines. So this again is part of that Pro Collagen series. We are up to door number 21 now, and this is the Superfood Glow Cleansing Butter. So again, a part of that vitamin line, and this is going to give you a little bit of brightness as well with the glowing vitamin C ingredient. Number 22 features the Vitality Eye Cream. This is 4 ml. So I gotta say, I feel like for this calendar, it starts off and I'm like, yeah, I really like it, I'm solid. And then as soon as I said, oh, thank goodness they're not all small sizes, I feel like they have gotten smaller. Like I kind of dipped down a little bit. So I'm hoping we're up to the big 3 doors here. Now I hope these are really good. So I've opened up everything on both sides. Now we're gonna take a look at door number 23. And in door number 23, it looks like this. So we've got a couple of items in this one. So this is the Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. We have 0.7 ounces. It's a little bit smaller than that. So this is a very gentle cleansing product that you can use to remove makeup or dirt, and it's a balm texture. And then in this drawer, we also have, it's like a pillow or something. What is this? Let me see. Oh, it's a cloth. Okay, but they wrapped it up. It felt like a pillow. So we do have a full facial cloth in here to go along with that cleansing balm. Door number 24 has the Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. This is 14 pads inside of this sealed jar. So these ones are great. I love resurfacing pads because the product is already on them. They're also going to have a little bit of texture to the pads to help break down any texture. And so you'll just rub these all over and it does the work, and it will help to break down any bumps or texture that you have. All a part of that resurfacing lineup. And our last day in this calendar is door number 25. This is the special delivery drawer. It actually looks like the full letter and everything. And inside we have our full-size Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. This one comes in at 50 ml or 1.6 ounces. So this is the hero of the product. I definitely have to give them props that I love that they put it in door number 25. I love that that was the star of the show. But this is a full-size product. Now I can confirm on the Elemis website, if you were going to purchase this jar at 50 ml, it retails for $138 on their website. So in this calendar, you receive one product at $138. I think it's important to note that because the price on this calendar does seem high at first glance for the amount of travel-sized items that are in here. So most of that value that they are advertising is coming from this one product. So that is everything inside of the advent calendar this year from Elemis. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think of this calendar. Is it your calendar? Have you found one yet for the year? I have a couple of thoughts with this one. So one, I think packaging is adorable. I definitely think part of what you're paying for with this calendar is the experience. I think the packaging is just so cute. I like the layout. You could definitely reuse this calendar because if you break down that price point, it's $260 for all of this. 140 of that is in the one item. So I'm looking at about $120 that I need to make up with the other items. I definitely think you do between 24 other products, but I also think part of that $120 is also in the packaging and shipping of this, of course, as well. So I do think overall, even though $260 sounds like a lot at first glance, I think it's there, especially knowing this brand, because this is not a brand that's cheap. You don't find this at the dollar store. So I feel like you are getting a great price and a great deal on this calendar, especially if you're already using these products. Like if you already know you use this marine cream, to me, it would be worth it to buy this calendar because then you can try all of the other products as well, stock up on what you already have. That's how I would view this calendar. Now, like I said, if you've never tried any of this brand's products out before, this is a great way to try them out. You have 3 entire lineups here. You've got the superfood, the resurfacing team, and then also the pro collagen lineup as well. So you can try a lot of items in one box, and it looks pretty cute too. Now, granted, I know this may not be a calendar for everyone. It is obviously skincare heavy. Maybe you like a little bit more variety in your boxes. So if this is not the calendar for you, make sure you guys check out my Advent playlist right now. I am still adding to that. We have a lot more to get through yet. The season is still early. We're going to find you a calendar. If this isn't yours, we'll find you another one. So until next time, beauties, have a great rest of the day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!